Welcome to lesson number 7. Lesson number 7 continues our freedom theme, and this go around is the concept of religious freedom. And it was one of the more interesting lessons I have put together, so I do believe that you too will find this interesting and applicable to your own circumstances and beliefs and so forth. Of course, we will be reading Chapter 7. Chapter 7 is Religious Freedom in your textbook, and the chapter itself is somewhat small, but I have included significant amounts of supplemental material that I'm asking folks to work through. First and foremost is reading Chapter 7. Then I have included multiple links on the recent Supreme Court decision, which was actually announced yesterday. Today is July 1st, 2014. So yesterday, about the Hobby Lobby court case that ended up in the Supreme Court. And Hobby Lobby, if you have not heard, stated that it was refusing to provide birth control or contraceptive coverage within their insurance policies based on the Affordable Care Act due to religious beliefs. And this case ended up in the Supreme Court, and the decision is still currently being evaluated by legal experts and attorneys. But Hobby Lobby did come out as winning the case. And I've included multiple readings from both perspectives of this case, from the pro perspective and the con perspective, as well as a couple of videos that I'm asking folks to pay attention to. Sometimes we think religious freedom is all about the actual act of practicing your religion. But religious freedom impacts not only one individual, the person practicing that religion, but society at large, and what that freedom means. One of the comments, do we have freedom of religion or freedom from religion? And it's one of the things that I do want to ask you to consider as we work through the material. I've included readings related to religion in your resume, some same-sex controversies from the religious perspective, and working with patients who may have certain religious orientations. Also included a large number of videos, and these videos will take you some time to work through. So again, this is one of those lessons not to wait until the last moment. We have examples of religious freedom. The first video I'm asking you to view. This video has significant bias within the video itself. One of our goals is for you to try to identify what bias does exist. A couple of videos on teaching religion in schools, preserving religious freedom, religion and capitalism, the end of religious freedom from one speaker's perspective. Freedom is related to another speaker's accidental and intentional decision to read the Quran and the outcome, as well as a video on atheism. Folks will need to watch these videos in whole, and I suggest taking some notes as you watch the videos, because the videos are the basis of your lesson number 7 discussion board. And these discussion boards should be pretty detailed, and in the discussion boards, don't necessarily tell me or tell your fellow students what the video was about. We know what the video was about. We all watch the same videos. But tell us what you think about the videos. What was your initial response? What bias did you find? Or are there talking points within the videos that you think we need to concentrate on? Can we apply the 3 ethical theories to the concepts mentioned in the videos? We may be able to, or maybe not. And finally, at least, what does freedom of religion mean here in the United States? And what does freedom of religion mean? How is that portrayed in the public versus reality? And are there any discrepancies? We have a lesson number 7 journal, which is very similar to your lesson number 6 journal. Remember, lesson number 6 reviewed your pro research for your ethical topic. Well, lesson number 7 does the same thing in terms of a similar matrix, but we'll just be talking about the con approach. So you should have some level of comfort with the matrix by now. This will be the 3rd attempt of this matrix process. There's no quiz for lesson number 7. I would rather everyone spend some time, significant time, reading the material, looking at the videos, and participating in the discussion boards, and doing a really good job on the lesson number 7 journals. In the meantime, I urge you to contact me with questions, and I look forward to hearing from you. Take care.